It's Arizona, but you wouldn't know it because it's raining. I swear to God, it's raining out here. Ooh, it's cold too. I swear it's raining. Look, on there. Ah! Comes the wind. Oh, it hit me in the face. See, look at the ground. Oh, look at the ground there. Some drops. See, it's raining. Damn, it's coming right in at me too. Look at this wind. It's getting real silly here. This monsoon shit just in. I'm gonna step outside real quick. Ooh. My motion sensor's off on the light. It's pretty bad when the wind is moving around the cactus. Ooh. Okay, that's much better. Sorry about that. Wouldn't let me use my flash while the ultra wide lens was on. So, anywho, yeah, you can see the rain coming down. So, kind of crazy. Huh. Got the truck all covered. So, anywho, I hope I don't lose my umbrella up there. See the umbrella up on top? That's keeping my AC unit out of the sun in the mornings. I gotta get another one for the other side. I'm just double checking everything real quick. Whew. Man, this rain is cold. Alright, okay. Jerking my string around. Alright, well, and it is just coming in sideways into an RV. Crazy. Oh, snap. Okay. Just got this offer up for $5. Not bad, huh? Cabinet, got dartboard, dart set in it, 2 darts, or 2 sets of darts. Everything you need. Nice find. Anyway, later people. It's raining in Arizona.